You look in the mirror, and there it is, that fine, crinkly texture that seems to make your skin look suddenly older. But here's what most people get wrong. Crepey skin is not always about aging itself. Sometimes, a huge part of what you're seeing is simply dryness. And that means something as simple as an oil can make your skin look noticeably smoother, sometimes within minutes. But there's a catch. An oil can improve the appearance of crepey skin. It cannot magically rebuild collagen overnight. So today, we're separating the real evidence from the skincare hype. And there are 3 oils worth knowing. Let's start with the least glamorous one. Mineral oil. Yes, mineral oil. It may not sound exciting, but when it comes to dry, crepey-looking skin, it has a very useful job. Mineral oil is an occlusive. In simple terms, it helps slow the amount of water escaping from your skin. And that matters because dehydrated skin tends to look rougher, thinner, and more lined. Think about what happens to a dry sponge. It becomes stiff and shriveled. Add water and it becomes softer. Skin is more complicated than a sponge, of course, but the basic idea is similar. When the outer layer holds onto more moisture, it can look smoother and feel softer. That's why mineral oil can produce a surprisingly fast visual improvement. But remember what is actually happening. You're improving hydration at the surface. You're not rebuilding the deeper structures of aging skin. And that distinction is important. Now let's talk about the second oil. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has something mineral oil doesn't. It's a plant-based oil containing fatty acids that can help moisturize the skin. Research comparing coconut oil with mineral oil found improvements in skin hydration and dryness. So if your crepey texture is being made worse by dryness, coconut oil may help soften the appearance. But there's another side to the story. Coconut oil can feel heavy for some people, and not everyone's skin responds the same way. So don't assume that because something is natural, it automatically works better for you. Which brings us to the third oil, sunflower seed oil. This one is particularly interesting because it contains linoleic acid, a fatty acid involved in the skin barrier. Studies have found that sunflower oil can improve hydration while supporting barrier function. And that matters because your skin barrier is basically your defense against losing too much water. When that barrier is struggling, skin can become dry, rough, and more visibly crepey. So sunflower oil may be useful when dryness and barrier weakness are part of the problem. But again, there's an important line we shouldn't cross. Evidence that an oil improves hydration is not evidence that it reverses aging. That's where skincare marketing often gets carried away. An oil can make your skin look smoother. That doesn't mean it has rebuilt collagen. And understanding that difference can save you a lot of money. Because crepey skin isn't caused by just one thing. Dryness is one factor. Loss of elasticity is another. Changes in collagen and the deeper structure of the skin are another. And years of ultraviolet exposure can add to the problem. Oil mainly works at the surface, and that's not a bad thing. In fact, if dryness is making your skin look dramatically more crepey, improving the surface can make a noticeable difference. Sometimes very quickly. But it is only one piece of the puzzle. So how do you actually use an oil? Start with slightly damp skin. Then apply a small amount of your chosen oil. You don't need to coat your skin until it's shiny. The goal is simply to help seal in moisture and soften the surface. And if you're using a moisturizer, applying the oil afterward can make sense because the moisturizer provides hydration while the oil helps reduce water loss. Keep the routine simple. Cleanse gently, moisturize, and during the day, protect your skin from ultraviolet exposure. Because here's something an oil cannot do. It cannot replace sunscreen. Ultraviolet exposure can contribute to changes in collagen and elastic fibers. So you could moisturize beautifully every night and still be leaving your skin vulnerable during the day. That's why long-term skincare is about more than finding the perfect oil. Now, there's another popular claim we need to address. You may see oils advertised as collagen boosting. Be careful with that phrase. Collagen is found deeper in the skin. Simply applying an oil to the surface doesn't mean you're rebuilding that collagen. What you're often seeing is a different effect. The skin becomes better hydrated. The surface becomes softer. Light reflects differently. And those tiny lines may become less noticeable. That improvement is real. But it isn't the same thing as reversing structural aging. And once you understand that, choosing skincare becomes much easier. So, if you're looking for the short list, here's where I'd start. Mineral oil if your main goal is strong moisture sealing. Coconut oil if you want a moisturizing plant oil and your skin tolerates it well. Sunflower seed oil if you're particularly interested in supporting the skin barrier. But don't fall into the trap of thinking you need all 3. You don't. In fact, you probably don't need a shelf full of oils at all. The best routine is usually much simpler. And here's the part one really wants you to remember. If your skin suddenly looks more crepey, don't immediately assume you've aged dramatically overnight. Check whether your skin is simply dry. Because when the surface loses moisture, every little line can become more visible. Restore that moisture, support the barrier, and protect your skin consistently. You may be surprised by how much better the surface can look, but give yourself realistic expectations. An oil can soften. An oil can moisturize. An oil can help seal in hydration. It cannot erase every line. It cannot replace sunscreen. And it cannot magically rebuild decades of lost collagen. The goal isn't perfectly line-free skin. The goal is softer, calmer, better hydrated skin that feels comfortable and looks healthier. And sometimes the fastest improvement really is the simplest one. So before you buy another expensive skincare product, remember this. You don't necessarily need more products. You need the right support for what your skin is actually dealing with. Choose evidence over hype. Choose comfort over harshness. And choose protection over promises. Because when it comes to crepey skin, simple care done consistently can go much further than a miracle product ever will.